it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Woo. Today we are with Lyriii. Yeah, man, Lyriii with Survive. Yes, Lyriii with Survive. As you can see, my energy low, dog. My energy low. Sick out, you know? Yeah, but today I see him here. They are putting some work. So I'm going to jump in and hear Lyriii. I say, let's go. Let's go, Lyriii. What gonna start? Country, are you again?
Country hype music.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. We are gonna survive. Jamaica, go remember your vice. No watch, no face, talk to bow down to no guys. Look at you, I do it big. Uncle me a see pre. Make a couple million buy mommy a V6. You don't really care who know a beef with. If I never for me haters, me wouldn't achieve this. You know.
Hold on, Lyriii. Yeah, how much again? Lyriii, first of all, big up yourself. But Lyriii, how much again? What, 14? Haters? What them hate you for? Your school money where you come to school with? Your lunch money? Lyriii, think of your fucking 7G. Lyriii talent is selling bad. Country, if you're ramping up, pick up yourself, country.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. We are gonna survive. Jamaica, go remember your vice. No watch, no face, talk to bow down to no guys.
No bow down to them, man. See, boss, get bigger, no get bigger.
Look at you, I do it big. Uncle me a see pre. Make a couple million buy mommy a V6. You don't really care who know a beef with. If I never for me haters, me wouldn't achieve this. You know, if we keep it a secret, go and go preach it pan the fix. Me know say me have for great like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Since you love sweets, come and buy a sweetie.
Hold on. The man compare himself to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. I feel big great like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. You know what great 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 is? Alright, since you love sweet, come and buy a sweetie. Lord. Yo, my energy level low, dog, I swear.
Country hype music.
Flow mash me up, man.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. We are gonna survive. Jamaica, go remember your vice. No watch, no face, talk to bow down to no guys.
Alright, so the house, look on the house settings where I'm in and now, and look on the house so it change and car parking and drive and sitting. Transition. But I'm missing something. Okay.
Look at you, I do it big. Uncle me a see pre. Make a couple million buy mommy a V6. You don't really care who know a beef with. If I never for me haters, me wouldn't achieve this. You know, if we keep it a secret, go and go preach it pan the fix. Me know say me have for great like 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Since you love sweets, come and buy a sweetie. We are gonna survive. Jamaica, go remember your vice. No watch, no face, talk the bow down to no guys. You know where you're capable of, so stop go fight. Just work and believe. Long as your life spare, we are gonna see the bills. A girl can live if she want that a deal is. Right now, love a shaggy as far as me see.
Yeah, girl can left right now if she want. Right now, love a shaggy, never say fuckery. Right now, love a shaggy. Yeah, they say they are that him. Yo.
Left if she want that a deal is. Right now, love a shaggy as far as me see. All more and we mix up thing. If you big up chut them and big up thing. Mount of things wrap up on me. You woulda swear thing me did a one Muslim. Yo.
Bombokla. Yo. More that thing wrap up around my head. You that swear things that means I'm Muslim. You know Muslim wrap up. Yo. Alright.
We are gonna survive.
Alright.
Jamaica, go remember your vice. No watch, no face, talk to bow down to no guys. Look at you, I do it big. Uncle me a see pre. Make a couple million buy mommy a V6. You don't really care want beef with. If I never for me haters, me wouldn't achieve this. You know, if you keep it a secret, go and go preach it pan the fix. Me know say me have for great like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Since you love sweets, come and buy a sweetie.
Yeah.
We are gonna survive, Jamaica, go remember your voice. No watch no face, dog, the bow down to no guys. You know where you're capable of, so stop go fight. Just work and believe, long as life's fair, we are gonna see the best. A girl can live if she want, that a the least. Right now, love a shaggy as far as me see. All more and all we mix up thing. If you big up, chut them and big up thing. Mount of things wrap up on me. You woulda swear thing me did a one Muslim.
Sure.
Yo, I know if far, but because we must win. Girl, we used to call with disgusting. All of us so do want to this love thing. Me have to say honey, just calm and tap rush things.
Yeah, man, the girl them used to scan me. Never used to wow we. Never used to look in our direction. Now all of a sudden them want to fall in love. Me have to tell them, say, oh, listen to me, man. Nobody with that, you know. Easy. Lift up easy, build back.
First so do want to this love thing. Me have to say honey, just calm and tap rush things. Cause we are gonna survive, Jamaica, go remember your voice. No watch no face, dog, no bow down to no guys. You know where you're capable of, so stop go fight. Just work and believe, long as
Right,
life's fair, we are gonna see the beast. A girl can live if she want, that at the least. Right now, love a shaker as far as me see. Look at Juvie, I do it big, uncle me a see pre. Make a couple million by mommy a V6. Young and I really care I own what beef with. If I never for me haters, me wouldn't achieve this. You know if you keep it a secret, one go preach it pan the fix. Me know say me have for great like 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Since you love sweets, come and buy a sweetie.
Yeah, do it, G. Go and do it, man. Go and do it. You only get better and better with your delivery and your vocals and them something there. Yeah, as you grow, you are gonna learn to master your craft and do your thing. You see me? So yeah, big up yourself, bro. You have a long way to go, but you're on the right start. Country hype, keep him on them, chuck ya, bro. Don't make him go the slack side, bro. Don't make him go the slack side. I'm too young for that. You see me? Yeah, that can backfire upon him in the future, bro. You see me? So don't make him go down the route there and kind of, you see me? Yeah, just load that route there, bro. Make him focus on them type of song, my fan. That is my advice to you as the producer. So big up yourself, country. Lyriii, big up yourself. Big up your father when I say they around you too. Dada, make sure you say the G do the right thing. You hear that? Yeah, man. That's what I say, man. Remember, all who are going, just remember I'm age, same way. You see me? Yeah. Don't get ahead. Why? Don't get ahead of yourself. Yes. That is it. You see me? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. And I'll see you down in the comment section. All right? Peace.
I've got a call to watch on, boss. Come and represent for Jamaica worst gamer, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.